Best Meal Plan for Weight Loss, a comprehensive guide. Losing weight is a common goal for many individuals, and one of the most effective ways to achieve this goal is through a well-structured meal plan. A successful weight loss meal plan should not only help you shed pounds but also provide your body with the essential nutrients it needs to stay healthy and energized. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the best meal plan for weight loss, including its components, benefits, and practical tips for implementation. 1. Understanding weight loss. 1.1 The science of weight loss. Weight loss fundamentally comes down to the principle of calorie deficit, where you consume fewer calories than your body expends. However, it's important to understand that not all calories are created equal. The macronutrient composition, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, and the quality of the food you consume play significant roles in how your body processes and utilizes these calories. 1.2 Factors affecting weight loss. Metabolism. Your metabolic rate influences how quickly you burn calories. Factors such as age, gender, muscle mass, and physical activity level affect your metabolism. Hormones like insulin, ghrelin, and leptin play crucial roles in hunger, satiety, and fat storage. Lifestyle, sleep, stress, and physical activity levels can significantly impact your weight loss journey. Diet quality. The nutritional quality of your diet affects your energy levels, satiety, and overall health. 1.3 Importance of sustainable weight loss. Sustainable weight loss involves adopting habits that you can maintain in the long term. Crash diets and extreme calorie restriction may offer quick results but are often unsustainable and can lead to muscle loss, nutrient deficiencies, and metabolic slowdown. A balanced approach that promotes gradual weight loss is generally more effective and sustainable. 2. Components of a successful weight loss meal plan. 2.1 Balanced macronutrient distribution. A well-rounded meal plan should include a balanced distribution of macronutrients. Carbohydrates. Aim for complex carbohydrates like whole grains, vegetables, and legumes that provide fiber and steady energy. Proteins. Incorporate lean proteins such as poultry, fish, tofu, and legumes to support muscle maintenance and repair. Fats. Include healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil to promote satiety and support cellular functions. 2.2 Portion control and calorie management. Understanding portion sizes and managing calorie intake is crucial for weight loss. Use tools like food scales, measuring cups, and portion control plates to help you stay within your calorie goals. 2.3 Meal timing and frequency. Meal timing can influence your metabolism and hunger levels. Common strategies include intermittent fasting. This involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting, such as the 16/8 method, 16 hours of fasting and 8 hours of eating. Frequent small meals. Eating smaller, balanced meals throughout the day to maintain steady energy levels and prevent overeating. 2.4 Hydration. Staying hydrated is essential for overall health and can aid in weight loss by promoting satiety and supporting metabolic functions. Aim to drink at least 8 cups, 2 liters, of water per day, adjusting based on activity level and climate. 2.5 Incorporating a variety of foods. Variety in your diet ensures you get a wide range of nutrients and prevents boredom. Incorporate different fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats into your meal plan. 3. Building your weight loss meal plan. 3.1 Setting realistic goals. Start by setting achievable and realistic weight loss goals. Aim for a gradual weight loss of 1 to 2 pounds per week, which is considered safe and sustainable. 3.2 Calculating caloric needs. Determine your daily caloric needs using online calculators that consider your age, gender, weight, height, and activity level. Create a calorie deficit by reducing your intake by 500 to 750 calories per day to achieve a healthy weight loss rate. 3.3 Sample meal plans. Sample meal plan 1. Breakfast, Greek yogurt with berries and a sprinkle of granola. Snack, apple slices with almond butter. Lunch, grilled chicken salad with mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and vinaigrette. Snack, carrot sticks with hummus. Dinner, baked salmon with quinoa and steamed broccoli. Snack, a small handful of nuts. Sample meal plan 2. Breakfast, oatmeal topped with banana slices and chia seeds. Snack, cottage cheese with pineapple chunks. Lunch, turkey and avocado wrap with a side of mixed greens. Snack, sliced bell peppers with guacamole. Dinner, stir-fried tofu with brown rice and vegetables. Snack, dark chocolate square. 4. Tips for success. 4.1 Meal prep and planning. Plan ahead, dedicate time each week to plan your meals and snacks. Batch cooking, prepare larger portions of meals and divide them into individual servings for easy access throughout the week. Grocery shopping, make a list before you go shopping to ensure you have all the necessary ingredients. 4.2 Mindful eating. Eat slowly, take your time to chew thoroughly and savor your food, which can help you recognize feelings of fullness. Avoid distractions, minimize distractions like TV or smartphones while eating to focus on your meal and avoid overeating. 4.3 Managing cravings. Healthy alternatives, satisfy cravings with healthier alternatives, such as fruit for sweets or air-popped popcorn for salty snacks. Moderation, allow yourself occasional treats in moderation to prevent feelings of deprivation. 4.4 Staying active. Combine your meal plan with regular physical activity to enhance weight loss. Aim for a mix of cardiovascular exercises, strength training, and flexibility exercises. 5. Overcoming challenges. 5.1 Dealing with plateaus. Weight loss plateaus are common. To overcome them, try adjusting your calorie intake, varying your workouts, or seeking support from a nutritionist or personal trainer. 5.2 Emotional eating. Identify triggers for emotional eating and develop healthier coping mechanisms, such as journaling, meditation, or talking to a friend. 5.3 Social situations. Plan ahead for social events by checking menus in advance, eating a healthy snack before going out, and practicing portion control. 6. Long-term maintenance. 6.1 Transitioning to maintenance. Once you reach your weight loss goal, gradually increase your calorie intake to maintain your weight. Continue practicing healthy habits and monitor your weight regularly. 6.2 Continuing healthy habits. Balanced diet, keep following a balanced diet rich in whole foods. Regular exercise, stay active with regular exercise to maintain your weight and overall health. Self-monitoring, keep track of your progress and make adjustments as needed. Conclusion. A well-structured meal plan is a powerful tool for achieving and maintaining weight loss. By focusing on balanced nutrition, portion control, and sustainable habits, you can create a plan that supports your goals and promotes overall health. Remember, consistency and patience are key, and it's important to find a plan that fits your lifestyle and preferences. With the right approach, you can achieve lasting weight loss and enjoy a healthier, more vibrant life. This guide provides an in-depth look at creating an effective meal plan for weight loss. By understanding the science behind weight loss, focusing on balanced nutrition, and adopting sustainable habits, you can achieve your goals and maintain a healthy weight for the long term. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Ni655 family. Give us a thumbs up if you liked the content, and make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more awesome videos.